How to do email marketing with Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll discuss exactly how to get started with email marketing. It is very simple and it's actually built in Squarespace. So we're just going to discuss this method. So first, you're just going to log into your Squarespace website, obviously, and then from here, you're just going to find the option that says campaigns. This is going to be where you want to click, and you're just going to find yourself in this page. So in this page, you have a few options. So you can just go and start by creating an email and sending it out. You can start by creating automations. There's a lot. But the most important part here is going to be to actually import the subscribers that you want to send these emails or automations to. So to do so, you're just going to find the option right on the top right corner. It says import subscribers. So you simply just want to click on that, and it's just going to give you two different options. The first one is going to be by adding them individually. So one by one, you just add their email address, first name, last name, and more details. Or the second one, which is going to be uploading a list with a CSV file. So you can just go and create a CSV file with the list of the subscribers with their information, upload the file, and it's just going to do it for you. So I have just added a few individual subscribers, just dummy ones, so we can continue, and we can just go ahead and start with the creation option. So if we just want to create an email to send out, we just want to basically click on create from the top right corner. Now from here, you're just going to select a template so you can really browse till you find something that you like as closely as possible, because you can start with a blank sheet, but it's just going to be easier if you start with a template that you like and just adjust a few things. So I'm just going to go in and select one real quick. And once you select it, you can scroll down, up, and if you like it, click on use this template. Now comes the adjusting it part. So first, without touching anything, you're going to find the style option from the top right corner, and you can find the quickly match your site option if you want to kind of use the theme that you have with your website. If you just want to match it, you can use those if you like. It's just going to make things easier for you. Next up, you can change the email background completely as you know, your own choice of color. You can just go and use that, or even the content background. So this is the normal background, this is the content background. Also the font sizes, the font pack, and also link color. So next up, once you actually finish up the style options, what you want to do is click on the header itself and choose whether you want it to be your logo or an image or some text. It's up to you. If it's a logo, you would want to add a site logo to begin with from the settings. If it's just some text, you can just feel free to add that as well. Or you can just make it an image. I'm just going to leave it this way. And same goes for any other block. You can just go and click on it and change whatever you want to change, or completely remove it if you don't want it. And you're just going to find the settings for it on the right side corner. It's really pretty much just like adjusting your actual website for Squarespace. So same goes here for this image. If you click on it, you're just going to be able to adjust it and so on. Now, if you want to add a new section, because now we know how to edit sections, but if you want to add a new one, you just hover between the two and click on the plus icon. You can feel free to add a product, button, discount, blog, spacer, images, or even text. So adjust this email as you like, and you're just going to be able to basically send it to your subscribers, to your specific mailing list, and so on. You can even create mailing lists, by the way. But anyways, you just start with the email here on the top right corner, click on that, add your subject line and email preview. Then you just want to go ahead and add the people who are just going to receive the email, so all subscribers or select ones by using mailing lists, and you can even create that in the settings, so don't worry about that. Or smart lists, which are basically pre-created lists from Squarespace themselves, and even segments and so on. But if you want it to be all subscribers, you can just go and leave it at that and go to the sender details, which is you, and you can start by using your business email instead of your personal one. You can just go and add sender information here. And you can just go ahead and finish everything up, and I recommend that you send test first to yourself to see how it looks like. And then if you're happy with it, you can just go in and start sending it out to the recipients. And this is pretty much it for email marketing. You also have automations, which is for another video. But this is pretty much it. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.